So whenever you see in your knitting chart that you have an empty square like this, it means you're going to knit on the right side and purl on the wrong side. And that would give you a straight stitch, same as here. You would have knit on the right side and purl on the wrong side. And that's straight stitch. A line across your chart, like so, it means a purl stitch. And that even if it's on the right side. So let's say that it says I need to purl that one. So you bring, I knit one and then bring my yarn to the front, purl, and then continue with your knit, unless it says otherwise. But that is what that sign means, a purl. And it will show as a knit on the other side. On your knitting chart, a circle like this means a yarn over. And let's do that. So you're knitting along, you're making a yarn over, bring your yarn to the front of your work and continue knitting. At any stage, you're going to have to take off stitches in order to have your work straight. So when you made a yarn over, you added a stitch and now you have to take it off. Somewhere, it could be here or anywhere. Whenever you have a yarn over, but you need to continue with a purl stitch. So your yarn is there, see, and you're going to bring your yarn to the front and then to the front again in order to continue with a purl. So on your knitting chart, this is the symbol of knitting 2 stitches together. And let's do that. I already did a yarn over because I need to replace it in order to have my work going straight. And so knit 2 stitches together means that you pick them up together and knit them. Let's do that again. You pick up your 2 stitches knitwise and knit them together. Again, you pick them up and knit them together.